Are you the broke individual constantly battling with financial hardship? You want to be financially independent and confident, but you struggle every month just to pay bills, debt, you know, spend money, and at the end of the day, you are in financial lack and scarcity. Don't worry. Today, I want to share with us my 7 step system that I use to make money through value creation. So I'll be showing you the process to make money through value creation. Before we dive in, I am David C. Onwara, your friend in the School of Financial Insight. I'm passionate about helping people who are broke and struggling financially to elevate their financial well-being so they can live their, their dreams and live life to the fullest. And I do this through education, teaching kingdom principles to wealth, entrepreneurship, and financial intelligence. So, if you are one of those that are battling with financial hardship, battling with financial lack and scarcity, this video is for you. So, the process of value creation. This video is about the process of value creation. There are 7 steps that you must go through to become a person of value, to become a person of solution to your world. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The first step in the 7 step system is find a problem or pain that a lot of people have. That is the first step. You need to find a problem or a pain that a lot of people have. I mean, a current situation that people are going through, and you have the ability to provide remedy or solution for it. So that's the first step. You find a problem that a lot of people have, and you have that ability to provide that solution. Now, those people that have that problem, they become your target audience, they become your market. So, the first step is to find your market. Find your market. The second step is to create out the solution. Now, you have discovered the problem, then you go ahead to create the solution, bring the remedy to pain, meet their needs. When you provide that solution, it becomes your unique mechanism to their problem. It becomes your unique solution to their problem. Number 3, you package that solution into value. It can be a product, it can be a service, it can be an information, or it can be a code or software. Package that solution into value offer. When you have done that, you have gotten that the solution to a problem that you can give to a lot of people having that problem. 4, you have to locate your market congregation. Now, these people that I said that have this problem or have this pain or going through that pain, there is a place where they hang out. There are places or platforms where they congregate. So you need to locate the platform where they gather together to discuss. What platform did they congregate? What forum did they belong? What celebrity or influential someone that they follow? So these places become where they gather together so you can have a place to go and market your value offer. That's step number 4. Step number 5, you build your sales funnel. You build your sales funnel. A sales funnel is a buying process that your customer will go through to get your value offer, whether online or offline. So you need to build out your sales process so that you make it very easy for them and very convenient so that they can come get your solution and experience the transformation that your solution will bring. So build out your sales funnel, a buying process that they will go through, especially build a buying process that does not require your physical involvement. That will be good. That will be good, especially online. Build your sales funnels online. And five, or number six, marketing. Marketing. Now you have identified a problem that a lot of people have. You have created the solution. You have packaged the solution into value offer. You have located where these people are congregating. You have built the sales funnel that will go through to get your value offer. So number six is marketing. This is where you launch out where they are congregating to throw out your hook, to throw out your product in front of them or your solution in front of them. They have this problem, so they are seeking for solution. It is one thing for you to catch their attention, to hold that attention, to retain the attention and convert that attention into a buying action. So marketing is very vital. What is marketing? It is any form of campaign that is intended to create awareness and desire for your value offer. Any form of campaign that is intended to create awareness and desire for your product or service. So you need to create your marketing strategy so that you are able to launch out to where these people are, hook their attention, retain their attention, convert the attention into buying action. That's how you make money. Marketing is where the money is made. Mhm. And lastly, is repetition. You repeat step six, which is the marketing, consistently. You have known your target audience, you have known where they congregate, you have known, you have your funnel built out, and then you are marketing. So you just have to keep repeating the marketing process, trying every strategy to hit these people. The more you sell to them, the more chances they have to buy from you. So these are the 7-step system to make money through value creation. Remember, money flows in exchange of value. Money flows in the direction of value. When you stand as a value provider or a solution provider, you become a magnet to money. Instead of seeking for job, seeking for help, begging here and there, just look for a problem that you can solve and begin to package those products, look for your market, build your sales funnel, and begin to market it to them on a regular basis. That is how you become a person of value to your world, exchanging your solution for money. Let me say this: if you have what is valuable to people, wisdom demands that you sell it for a reasonable profit. If you have what is valuable that can help someone solve a problem or help someone meet a need or help someone eliminate any pain, it is wisdom that you package it with excellence and exchange it for money. That is how money begins to come into your life, because you have positioned yourself as a money magnet by becoming valuable to your world. So this is the 7-step system that can turn you into a value creator. Now that you know this, would you like to take positive advantage of this 7-step system to have a transformation in your life, especially your financial life? Or would you like to remain in your present state of struggle and frustration? I know you know the answer very well. By the way, if you would like to know the 5 unconscious attitude that has been keeping you in financial lack and scarcity, and how to turn them into fortune. Download my free ebook. Click the link in the description and get it for free. But be warned, the ebook will be taken offline in the next few hours. So the quicker, the better. Don't miss out. Remember, you are just one insight away to your financial turnaround. I remain David C. Onwara, Mr. David Don, your friend in the School of Financial Insight. I hope this helps you. See you in the next video.